Hi, I'm Jim Zwack from the Davey Institute, North America's premier tree research laboratory. And today, we're talking trees. Palms are certainly a special type of tree. They can instantly turn your outdoor space into an oasis, providing shade and beauty for your landscape. They're also fairly low maintenance once they're established. Today, I'm joined by one of our local experts, ISA certified arborist Todd Lukitas, to talk more about what we can do to help our palms thrive. Todd, where should we start?
Thanks, Jim. Like any tree, proper maintenance can help keep palms healthy and extend their lives in your landscape. Let's begin with water. How much you water your palm depends on its age and type. Newly planted palms need to be watered more frequently at first, depending on the season and moisture requirements of the species. The soil should be moist, not saturated. Once your palms are established, they shouldn't need additional water unless they're experiencing periods of drought. Fertilization is also vital for healthy palms. Because of the sandy soil they grow in, most palms lack essential nutrients. We recommend using a slow-release fertilizer up to 4 times a year. Next is pruning. Unlike your other tree species, palms don't follow a strict pruning schedule. You should only prune to remove yellow or brown fronds, flowers, or nuisance fruit. Excessive trimming beyond that can create a thin and narrow hurricane cut, which is bad for your palm's health. Lastly, keep an eye out for signs of pest and disease. These issues tend to show up more on specialty palms than native palms. Doing frequent checks on your palm's trunk and fronds can help you spot anything that looks off. Scheduling regular service and inspections throughout the year can also help to keep a trained eye on your palms, so any issues can be addressed quickly.
Thanks, Todd. If you have some palms that need additional care or are thinking about planting new palms in your landscape, contact your local professional arborist for a consultation. As always, thanks for talking trees.